Good morning, everyone, and I wish you a very week ahead. Well, all these days I have been providing the trading signals for US 30, Germany, DAX, and NASDAQ. Now, from last week, I have started providing the signals for trading levels for the Nifty. So, in this week, I'm starting the weekly probability for the Nifty, US 30, that is NASDAQ, and the Dow Jones. Okay. So keep tuned and I thank you for being part of this family and encourage you to please like, share, and comment. So my trading levels have been very much uh, through the sport and we have been getting good results out of this. So I hope you will enjoy this journey with me. So keep tuned and I'll make this short and help you with how to get onto these trades. Also, you can join my Telegram channel if you want, and also I'm having a VIP trading signals group where I'm sharing, and it is an individual group wherein I share or broadcast my levels to my followers. So let's see the Nifty for this week. How is it going to trade? Let's open the chart for Nifty. So here I am in the Nifty chart, and what I'm opened up here is currently the weekly, and let's see the monthly. So you see the trend is on an upside. However, here since the last 2 months, this is on a on a downtrend, and currently on since last month, this is consolidating in this area that is between 17,800 to between 18,000. So let's see what this week the markets are going to tell us. And just wanted to show you something. If you see, since almost I would say 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, we are in this range. That means almost in uh, a month we are trading in this between these ranges. And last week we were in an indecisive stage where that means it's a doji candle here. The market is yet to decide where it has to go. Since we see a lot of volatility in the US markets, that the Dow Jones has been moving almost 1,000 plus points in a week. For the Nifty is also showing us some of these, uh, reflections here. So let's see what will be what's the other indicators telling us. So if we see into the MACD is looking towards a sell side, is diverging towards a sell side. Okay, so the RSI is in a comfortable side, and stochastic is also on a comfortable side. It is trying to converge to a buy side, and the direction moment is also on a bullish zone on the buy side. So here the concern for us is currently the MACD, which is a very important indicator for us to decide and go, go ahead. So we'll have to see, or we'll drill down on a weekly basis and see what are the possibilities. Now let's see what is the one day candles telling us on the charts and the indicators. So I mean this one day candle. So one day candle, if you see all this, the candles are in a consolidation zone. It has not gone up. However, the daily candle has closed in green, right? So last week we had a bullish. Not last week, last two trading sessions we had a bullish move. So now this is converging towards a buy side. Okay, and RSI is also in a comfortable zone. Hence, we will see some bullish movements in the next trade. There might be some retracement in the beginning, but ultimately we will be having a pull up. That's what the indicators are showing up. The stochastic is also oversold now, so we can oversold now, so we can see some bounce. And DMI is also on a bullish. DMI is not on a bullish or on a daily side. This is still on a bearish side, I would say. So there, this DMI is not supporting us. Let's see anyway what the other time level or interfaces. It is time frames are telling us. The 4 hour also see the MACD is converging buy side. RSI also is at a comfortable zone. Stochastic is also very comfortable zone. Oh, the DMI is the only thing which is still in the bearish side. Now let's see the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour, you would see the market has been consolidating here. This was a bullish one, and if you see the 20 period EMA, this is also in a bullish crossover. And speak about this, I'll come back to the charts again on this part, and you see this is just consolidating in these trading sessions, almost 12 days, I would say. And here, uh, RSI and my RSI settings I would show you. It's put on 60 and 40, and stochastics is 80 and 20. Okay? And MACD, I'll show you what it is, how it is set, so that you can set your uh, charts. I'm using an investing.com chart, and where you can put these levels so that you can trade, you can follow by you can set your settings by following my channels in case you want to understand how I have put my levels and the indicator readings. You can open up a account or free account, and you can always save in your charts. So I have all my charts. See, these are my charts wherein I have saved everything, and I just need to follow up these things every day. I just come and look into my levels. I draw the trend lines. I don't make it much complicated because there's no point making it much complicated. It should be very simple for us to trade for the levels. These days the market is bet for the levels. So coming back to the stochastic is getting almost to the over oversold zone in the 1 hour chart. See, so it is looking downwards. Okay. But now we'll be having a gap up tomorrow. So uh, this all will be, we'll have to see how it. So that's what I'm saying. The very initial stage when the market opens, we can expect some sort of a downward trend, and then the market might reverse back. Okay? Because tomorrow even the US markets, the cash markets are closed. The futures will be open, however the cash markets are off, so the volume would not be also much in the US markets. That's what is expected. So it's better not to carry any positions in case you are a day trader. So now let's see again the 1 hour 1 day chart, and I'll tell you. So 1 day chart, see this is going to, there's a stiff resistance at 18,140, and I'll talk about it much further as we proceed. Here I already gave the settings for the chart. So this convergence, you can just read about this in the Google. You can find certain uh, ideas where you can understand how this work, and you can also play back on the 1 hour chart, and you can also read this what happens when this indicator over here is on this side, what are the candles doing. Okay, the MACD is also, and this is the crossovers here, the convergence. Now for the EMA crossover, I have put the EMA crossover on the indicators. I would say 9 and 26 moving periods. As this, I have uh, the indicator that is for the 100 moving averages, and this is for the 59 moving averages. And so currently I would just concentrate on the default one, which is 9 and 26. Okay, so here if you would see on a daily basis, we are still trading below on the weekly. If you see, we are trading on the bearish side. On the weekly chart, if you see weekly, we are in a bullish zone. This is some of the observance. So let's look at the entry and the exit levels that I have prepared for you to follow up on this. And what I would like to inform you is that when you're trading and looking to the indicators, so try to look onto these factors when you're in a daily time frame and see, and this will help you to be in the trade if your trade goes a little bit of your expectations. And also you have to make the right entries. The right entries that should be always in the support levels, and you can exit on the resistance levels, especially if you are going in if you are in options buy. And if you are entering into these levels, it will be very easy for you to manage your risks and have minimal of stop loss. This can help you. So let me just pull on to the trading levels. Do comment, like, and share, and I'll be coming with furthermore analysis in case if you want. I'll give you more informations on this. Also, I encourage you to trade on forex, that is indices. That's pretty good with minimal risk. Then make good uh, fortune out of it. So here, my signals are usually I'm providing all of these signals every day. Okay? And gold, silver, crude. I have not started in my YouTube channel, but I'm only focusing this on with my customers. So these are highly, you need good liquidity or good cash to follow gold and silver and crude, because that has got high volatility. Wherein most of the time the retail investors are worried to put their money in. My focus is mainly on US 30 and Nasdaq and Germany index, and also I trade Nifty futures. So Nifty futures is available in some of the platforms, but there is a huge volatility after the India market is closed, because it starts to swing with the SGX Nifty, and whatever happens in the US Dow Jones, it moves accordingly. So that is one of the risks attached over there. Now let's see what is the entry level. So for Nifty 50, you can enter at 18,140 on a buy side. That's on a long side. Okay. Targets can be 18,200, and the maximum will be 380. In case you are able to get 260, then you can hold on your trades if you are on a uh, buy side. Uh, Always carrying on is not a good way these days, because there's a lot of volatility in the markets. So if you see your trades are in profit, better book your profit and then re-enter, because definitely the market is going to give you swings. That's for sure. And overall, the trend is still not intact. We are just in a consolidation zone, and this month we might see some sort of. We will get to know, and also we are approaching the yearly budget. So all these factors will be counting into the markets. So even also you can make a short entry in case the market fails above 8140. You can immediately take, you know once it comes to 8150, you will see that the market is not able to sustain, and if you see that candles are getting rejected from 18 for 50, 60 and all, and then you can, and if you see the indicators have started to swing to go downsides, that is the RSI and the stochastics, then we can try to take an entry at 18,140, say 18,100, in case you are unable to take. I cannot mention it here. I'll just mention it if you want. So I have updated the figures here. So what I was saying that if you see the markets is trading above 1840 in 30 minutes, for the 30 minutes, then we can say that you can consider that this is going to give you these targets of 18,200 and 260. But in case if it fails to go about 8140, then definitely you can enter for a put or for a sell side, that is you can buy a P and you can expect these targets. It goes to 100 first and then 18,000. Then beyond that 17,950. Yeah, biggest support for the week and for the days would be 17,725 and 700. 17,800 is also. These are the weekly targets. And short stop losses. I'm not recommending any no trade zone because we are on the weekly basis here. So if I would see no trade zone, then weekly trend is on consolidation. Same monthly also on consolidation. Strong resistance is 18,040. This is a very strong resistance. And any trend reversal that's on a weekly closing basis, if you see or a daily, if you see 18,260 to 280, then you can consider that the market has reversed. It is looking for an upside. But we have to be very careful about this. We have to look into all the indicators like MACD, the RSI, and the stochastic. So this will imply what the markets are going to. And this week, why I'm saying this is going to be so much of volatility because tomorrow, that is on this week, we have German economy, some events, other sentiments. So that's a high priority. Then we have GDP, the governor speaking, and GDP for year on year for the China industrial production, and these are all important for the market, which can bring in volatility, and it will be swinging between these levels that have been provided here. So trade safely and enjoy the trades. Exit at minimal loss, and always put a trailing loss. Sorry, always put a trailing stop loss so that you are able to manage your uh, the, you are able to protect your money and capital, because that will help you to be sustaining in this market. So here are some of the information that I'm providing. Some of the gambling practices that you can see and you can study always. Thank you, thank you for being part of this. You comment, subscribe, and let me tell you once the channel is growing, so I need your support. Thank you very much.